What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we will unbox another accessory from GoPro. But before we will start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell on. So we will be unboxing the magnetic swivel clip from GoPro. This one, I bought this from PRG Photoshop. So watch out to PRG Photoshop. I shout out to PRG Photoshop for making my order very fast despite of the ECQ in our community. Enhanced community quarantine. Enhanced community quarantine. Yeah. So I ordered this accessory via online. So if you want some accessories for your cameras or your action cameras, you can reach PRG Photoshop Cebu, or I think all over Philippines, nationwide. You can chat them through Messenger. So thank you PRG Photoshop for making my order very fast. Looking forward for a sponsor. So no slowing down. So no slowing down, let's open the magnetic swivel clip. Let's do this. So here is the magnetic swivel clip. So inside the box, first the lifetime warranty agreement. Yeah. Then the magnetic swivel clip. There. Yeah. And some cartons, some paper box. Oh, I tore it. So I will just tear the paper because I don't know how to open the here it is. The buckle mount, this one with the rubber lock. Sorry. And if you can't open it in the easy way, take it the hard way. The thumb screw. This is all you got in your magnetic swivel clip package. The magnetic swivel clip, the buckle mount, and thumb screw. So I bought this with discount for 1,290 pesos only. So the magnetic swivel itself looks sturdy. Then you can turn this around for 360 degrees. The clip is strong enough to clip in your bags, in your maybe in your helmets or in your shirt, like this, like that. But you cannot do that when you're vlogging. So I bought this because I wanted to use this in my vlogging, especially when I'm traveling, and I wanna try this on my helmet. So I think it can be mounted on my helmet because my helmet has this type of hood that you can mount. Let's see if you can mount this. So let's mount the GoPro from the buckle mount. And the thumb screw. Then the mount to the magnetic swivel clip. I really like the accessories of the GoPro because it's really quality. Then I will wear my helmet this is what I'm talking about, the hood from my helmet. And I think I can use this like that, and then you can turn this around. You should be careful when turning this. Okay, yes, this is what it looks like when you're mounting it in this type of helmet. I think it's strong enough to hold while you are swinging your head left and right. But when you're using this, make sure that you're in your GoPro. Make sure that you turned off the orientation lock so that when you're mounting it in reverse or in upside down, you can record in your GoPro with the correct position, correct orientation in your video. So I will show you sample video when I mounted this in my helmet. Okay, so right now I am using the GoPro with the magnetic swivel clip in my helmet. So I have an audience there. Why are you keep laughing? That's my personal manager, my sister. So I think this is much better than using my chin mount, so because I can see the screen a lot better, or I can see the screen when I'm vlogging, and yeah, I'm vlogging. And also when I'm driving, I think I can see both my hands. Yeah, both my hands. Both of my hands morely. My mouth, or when I'm speaking, I'm much nearer in the microphone of the GoPro. And also I can do this when I'm vlogging, but you can see my face. Yeah, this one. Okay, so I think it's a good investment. So after that, I tested the magnet from this swivel mount. For me, it's quite strong. It will do the job, but you have to make sure that when you're mounting it in the metal object or metal part, you make sure that you're placing it this way, but not on this way, because when you're mounting it or when you are sticking it to the metal, the mount will not really hold on to the metal because of the weight of the GoPro. So it will fall off like this, then slide off like that. So you should make sure that you will mount it that way, this way, and not that way, because it will fall like that and then slide like that. And then we will also try this in my sling bag, this one, because you can mount this in your any backpack or sling bag you have. You will just clip it like this and just reorient the position of your camera and the thumb screw, and then that you can start vlogging, starting like this. Yes, that one. And good thing because it's nicer, because the internal mic is a lot closer to the source, like here. So I think this mount is a good investment. I bought this versus the cheap one because first, the quality, build wise, it's very good, it's nice, it looks sturdy. Sunod kay Sandy. You know what I'm saying? Sturdy and Sunday. And the clip is very strong. You can feel this strong. It will hurt your fingers. That's all the review that I can make to this accessory, and I think it's a good investment versus the cheap one that you can buy online or anywhere or any store that's near you. So if you're planning to buy this, I would recommend this to all the motovloggers out there, especially in the Philippines. I would say highly recommended by me. Yeah, especially with the vloggers with helmets like this. You can use this in your helmet. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please make sure to subscribe for my upcoming videos on tutorials and other tutorials. So thank you for watching, and see you next on my video. Peace out.